Words that starts with letter A. Hello kids! Today, we are going to discover the words that starts with letter A. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Axe. A. Anchor. A. Apron. A. Angel. A. Arrow. A. Arm. A. Alligator. A. Airplane. Words that starts with letter B. Hello kids! Today, we are going to discover the words that starts with letter B. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. B. Ball. B. Bee. B. Balloon. B. Banana. B. Bird. B. Butterfly. B. Bag. B. Bat. B. Bear. B. Bell. Words that starts with letter C. Hello kids! Today, we are going to discover the words that starts with letter C. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. C. Cat. C. Car. C. Chicken. C. Caterpillar. C. Candle. C. Crab. C. Clown. C. Carrot. C. Cake. C. Chocolate. Words that starts with letter D. Hello kids! Today, we are going to discover the words that starts with letter D. Are you ready kids? Let's start. D. Donut. D. Doll. D. Drum. D. Dog. D. Dolphin. D. Door. D. Dress. D. Donkey. D. Dice. D. Dragonfly. Amazing! Good job! Let's review the alphabet. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Goodbye and see you next time. Subscribe for more videos.